बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं।
Wall birds. Description by Muhammad Nurtazul Islam. Wall birds. Our dear world is a beautiful land. So this land is a happy abode of different kinds of birds. Birds have increased the beauty of our world. We sleep at night and rise early in the morning, hearing the sweet song of different birds.
दिल में हो तुम, आँखों में तुम, पहली नजर से ही यारा।
Different types of birds. There are different types of birds in our world. They are different in color, size, and habit. Birds are divided into many classes. They are teaching birds, songbirds, rapacious birds, game birds, migratory birds, and tailor birds.
हमको हमी से चुरा लो,
दिल में कहीं तुम छुपा लो।
Different types of birds live. There are different types of birds in our world. They are different in color, size, and habit. They eat different kinds of food. Some birds eat fish and flesh. Some live on worms and insects. Some on fruits and grains. Some on filth and garbages.
तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है।
What is necessary of birds? Birds are our natural wealth. They are helpful and useful to us in many ways. They do many good to us. Birds eat many dirty things and keep the environment clean. Therefore, we should not kill birds at random, and we should take proper care of them.
दिल ने ये कहा है दिल से, मोहब्बत हो गई है तुमसे।